I created 75 Instagram motivational reels using only free tools in just 7 hours. In this video, I will tell you complete procedure of how you can also do this. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Step 1. Go to Chat GPT. I use Deep AI, which is 100% free to use AI tool. Deep AI does not require any phone number or email and is entirely free to use. Go to Google and search Deep AI. Click on the first link and open Deep AI. And in the question box type, generate me 75 motivational and highly energetic quotes. As you can see, all the quotes are being generated in just a few clicks. After getting all the quotes, copy all the quotes and paste them in an empty document or notepad. Step 2. Generating visuals. For this, I'm going to use Leonardo AI, which provides very high quality free images. Go to Google and search for Leonardo AI and click on the first link. After that, simply create an account using your Gmail. I already have an account, so it will redirect me to main page. After landing on home page, click on AI image generation and you will be redirected to the main page. Now select 4 from left bar and scroll down and select 9:16. And do not change any other option as it is not essential. After that, go to the notepad where you pasted all the quotes and read the first quote carefully. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage that counts. Here we will need 3 images for each part of the quote. Success is not final. For this we will use image of a person climbing a cliff. In the search bar, write image of a person climbing a cliff and it will take few seconds to generate images. As you can see, all the images have been generated and the second image seems more visually appealing. Click on the image and click on the download button under the image and the image will be downloaded. For second part of the quote, failure is not fatal, we will use image of a person sitting alone near a beach at night. The third image seems more visually appealing, so we will download it. Now for the third part, it is courage to continue that matters. We will use image of a person walking alone in a dark haunted forest. For this, we will download the first image. After downloading all the images, now we will finally need voiceover of our quote. Step 3. Generating voiceover. For voiceover, we will use 11 Labs, which provides high quality realistic voiceovers for free. Go to Google and type 11 Labs. Click on the first link and open it. Now go back to the notepad where you pasted all the quotes. Simply copy the first quote on which you are working. And now paste the quote in the 11 Labs text box. And from here, you can simply select the voiceover character you want.
Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts.
Perfect. Now click the download button and the voiceover will be downloaded into your device. Step 4. Video editing. Now to edit our video, I will use CapCut, which is a free-to-use video editing software. You can use any video editing software that you have on your mobile or PC, as all the steps will be same. Open your favorite video editing software and click on Create New Project. Import the voiceover of the quote and all the images that you have downloaded. Now drag the voiceover and all the images on the timeline one by one. Adjust the images according to the quote. You can simply split the extra part of the image or shrink the image at the exact point. Repeat the same process for all images and adjust each image according to the quote. After successfully arranging all the images in sequence, now we will enhance the quality of each image to make it more attractive and engaging for the viewers. To enhance the image quality, click on the image you want to enhance and click on Adjustments and do all the adjustments according to your image. And repeat the same process for all the images. I'm not going to enhance each image one by one because the video will become lengthy and boring, but the process will be same for all the images. After enhancing all the images, now you will have to add animation on each image to make it more engaging. For that, select Image and go to Animation, then go to Combo and select the animation of your choice. Adding animation can make the video very attractive to the viewers. And if you don't add animation to your videos, it can make the video to look dull and unattractive, which will make it difficult for the viewers to watch your video till the end, thus affecting the reach of your video. After adding animation to the first image, repeat the same process for the remaining images and use different animations for each image, as it will make the overall video much more attractive. Now finally, we will add captions in our video. To add auto captions, click on text and then click on auto captions and click on create. After creating auto captions, now change the font of the captions. For that, click on captions and select the font from the font section. Now change the color of the font, scroll down and select the color. I will use red color for captions. You can use any color you want. Now to add animation to the captions, click on captions and go to animation. Go to captions and select animation that suits you well. I will use the fifth one as it is very attractive and new. Apply same animation to the remaining captions. Finally, our reel is ready. Let's see the final results.
Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts.
Perfect. Now our video is completed. To export the video, click on the export button on the top right, and your video will be exported in your device. You can create more and more videos like this by following the same method you learned in this video. Save this video in case you forget the process, and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss any informative videos that I will upload, and comment, yes, if you found this video informative.